Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about two of the most confusing verbs in English, do and make. If you've ever said I did a mistake or she made her homework, don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this video, you will never mix them up again. Let's get started. So why do learners confuse do and make so much? In many languages, there is only one word that means both to do and to make. But in English, we split that one idea into two separate verbs, and each one has its own job. Here's the simple difference. Do is about the action itself, the work, the duty, the activity. Make is about the result, something new that you create or produce. Keep that idea in your mind, because everything else in this video builds on it. Let's start with do. We use do when we are talking about work, duties, and general activities, things that already exist as a task, and we are simply performing them. Here are 8 expressions you will hear all the time. Number 1, do your homework. Number 2, do the dishes, or do the laundry. Number 3, do a favor, can you do me a favor? Number 4, do business, we do business with clients in Europe. Number 5, do exercise, or do yoga. Number 6, do research, the scientists did research for years. Number 7, do damage, the storm did a lot of damage. And number 8, do your best, just do your best on the exam. Notice something? None of these create a brand new object. They are all about performing a task. Now let's flip to make. We use make when something new comes into existence. Food, plans, decisions, sounds, even money. Here are 8 expressions with make. Number 1, make breakfast, or make dinner. Number 2, make a decision. I need to make a decision by Friday. Number 3, make a mistake. Everyone makes mistakes. Number 4, make money. She makes good money as a designer. Number 5, make a plan. Let's make a plan for the weekend. Number 6, make noise. The kids are making so much noise. Number 7, make a phone call. I'll make a call and check. And number 8, make an effort. Please make an effort to arrive on time. See the pattern? In every single one, something new is being produced. A meal, a decision, a sound, a plan. Now let's fix the 5 mistakes that learners make the most. Mistake 1. Wrong. I did a big mistake yesterday. Correct. I made a big mistake yesterday. Remember, a mistake is something you create, so it takes make. Mistake 2. Wrong. She made her homework early. Correct. She did her homework early. Homework is a task you perform, so it takes do. Mistake 3. Wrong. He does a lot of money. Correct. He makes a lot of money. Money is produced, so make. Mistake 4. Wrong. I will make my best on the test. Correct. I will do my best on the test. This is a fixed expression. Always do your best, never make your best. Mistake 5. Wrong. They made research for months. Correct. They did research for months. Research is treated as ongoing work, so it takes do. Pause the video here if you want to rewrite these 5 sentences yourself. If you remember only one thing from this whole video, remember this line. Do the work. Make the thing. Do goes with an activity, a task, or a duty that already exists. Make goes with something new that is created or produced. Say that sentence out loud right now. Do the work. Make the thing. It will stick in your memory much faster than any grammar rule. Time for a quick quiz. I'll read the sentence. You shout the answer before I say it. Ready? Number 1. I need to blank my homework tonight. The answer is do. Number 2. Can you blank me a favor? The answer is do. Number 3. She wants to blank a cake for the party. The answer is make. Number 4. We should blank a plan before we travel. The answer is make. Number 5. He always blanks so much noise. The answer is makes. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments below. Let's recap everything in 4 quick points. 1. Do focuses on the action, the work, or the duty. 2. Make focuses on creating a result or a product. 3. Some expressions are fixed and must simply be memorized. There's no shortcut, so keep practicing them. 4. Whenever you're not sure, ask yourself, Am I performing a task, or am I creating something? That question alone will guide you to the right verb most of the time. And that's it for today's lesson on do versus make. If this video helped you, hit that like button, and if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss the next English lesson. Now I want to hear from you. Comment your own do or make mistake below, and let's fix it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.